Hey you guys, I'm Jay, and this is our simple how-tos. We're back. Anyway, so today we are going to, well, we're planning to do the rear shocks on the truck here, but first I want to drop this spare tire down. I've owned this truck for 5 years, and I've never had the occasion, thankfully I guess, that I had to take the spare tire down. And we don't have to take it down, but it's just going to give us more room. And so I'm going to show you guys how to drop this spare tire. Okay, first of all, we're going to come to the back seat here. Get that up there. You might have a little different, the full-size back seat, but this is the where it is here. And these came out of here. This should unscrew. I think this might be stripped out because I cannot get it to come out, and then we could just take this whole bag out behind there. But so I pulled these three out already, and now there's just one more here. And right here's where your jack is too. Right there. And you see the orange knob down there? That's how you release that along with that knob. Sorry, I got my hands full. But anyway, okay, so we're done back here for now. Let's go lay these down. Yeah, kind of an interesting deal. Interesting setup. Now, come up here, and you, in your glove box, you should have one of these. Spare tire lock key. And there's the code right there. I guess every truck is different. So that's where you find that. Hopefully yours is still there. If you got a used truck. And now I'll show you how to put this stuff together. Okay, guys, there's everything is. And let me get straightened out here. You can see I'm sitting on my handy dandy little pneumatic stool that I just got and put together here, the previous video. So okay, let's go. Let's get this. Okay, so here is the spare tire key lock. That's what that looks like. And apparently this key will only work on this spare tire assembly. But we're going to start off with this. One of these. And you're going to look for this end. And this is going to almost kind of, you got that little wire clip to kind of hold it in. And you kind of, then it kind of hooks in this hole here. Won't come off. So now we got these, and you got the pin or whatever, and then the hole right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. And we're going to come here. And it's going to go right in here. And I can feel it's engaged. So let's get the other pieces on here. Again, I always wish I had a cameraman to. I always need 3 hands. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that. Okay. Put the third one on. And now you use the lug wrench right there. And that over here, push the little And up, down. So now that, let's pop through there. And of course you probably want the lug wrench pointed to the rear. Okay, now we're going counterclockwise. Coming down, can you guys see it? Yep, here it comes. It was pretty easy. Again, and the reason I'm doing this is I'm going to replace the rear shocks probably tomorrow, and I'll film that too. Okay, so we're going to get it laid on the ground here. Go a couple more turns, get a little slack. You'll see why in a minute. Okay. Okay, let's get on the ground here. So you guys can see up there, I guess. See that? All right. Now, oh, these things are freaking heavy. But here's this, and we're going to finagle that up through the center of the tire. Okay, see? All right. Oh, that's heavy. Guess I'm getting to be an old man too. But okay, now I'm going to I'm not going to do this till tomorrow. So I'm just going to go ahead and wind that back up. And I'm going to pull the spare tire out and throw it off to the side here. And yeah, okay, well, I don't know what else there is to show you there. Yeah, I'll get that out of the way, and tomorrow, or yeah, probably tomorrow, maybe the next day, we'll do the rear shocks. Love you guys. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We do anything, we work on everything, and you know what? We can fix anything. Everything. Anything, everything. Watch. All right, love you guys. See you in the next one, probably the rear shocks.